Hi there, Sergey from Workshop Battle is here, and welcome to our new mini course on how to make your training website professional. And I start with a very bold statement that your visitors do not know what you sell. Here you can say, but Sergey, this is obviously a lie. People know what I sell. I'm a trainer. I sell workshops. I sell consultancies. I sell coaching. And to some extent, it is true. I talk to many trainers, I listen to many trainers, and I see how good you are at promoting your work. Speaking at conferences, organizing meetups, running webinars, writing blog posts. These are all good ways of promoting your services and selling them. And I see how good you do, how good you are at this. And this is why it's more surprising to me to open a website of a trainer and won't be able to figure out what this trainer sells, even while I have plenty of experience doing that. This all because your website could be better. I reviewed at least 100 of training websites, and I see two main reasons of why your websites do not articulate clearly what you sell. First one is an overloaded, confusing main page. And the second one is a badly structured menu. We'll talk about the menu next time. It's an easy topic. And today we concentrate on the most important part, the main page. What is the purpose of a main page? A main page is the first thing that your visitors see when they come to the website. And it should answer two questions. The two questions that your visitors are looking for answer for when they open your website for the first time. The first question is, what do you do? The second one is, how do you do it? For example, I help teams become more productive. Obviously, your slogan or the description of what you do will be different, yet it should stay short. One, maybe two sentences at most. It also should be on the top of your main page and in big letters. This helps visitors to scan your page quickly and grab immediately what value can you bring to them. And after they understand the high value, the high picture, they would like to get an answer for the second question. And this is where the second block comes in play, describing in short words how you do your services. For example, you provide coaching and run public workshops. Split the second block into columns, workshops and coaching, and describe in a few words the topics of these workshops and coaching sessions. For example, facilitation, time management, drawing, whatever. If you can, find a small image or icon that represents the services or how you see the services that you provide, and add them to this column. It shouldn't be big, just small, but it helps visitors to remember better. Obviously, you want to tell visitors more about your services. That is okay. Create separate page about coaching. This is a good for SEO, and link the blog from the main page to this internal page. This is really good. What you shouldn't do is you shouldn't explain everything on the main page. The purpose of the main page is to answer two questions. What do you do and how do you do it? And the visitors should get this information as quickly as possible, within 30-40 seconds at most. If they spend more time, you risk to lose them. Maybe they don't have time right now to go through everything you wrote about your services, right? And if they can't grab quickly, they leave. Or maybe because they couldn't find on your cluttered, overloaded main page the information, the clues of what your services are. Now it's time for some action. Don't worry, everything I'll share next I'll put into the separate document so that you can go through item to item at your own pace. The document will be attached to this video. At this moment, I'll just explain the 3 steps that you need to do, then this video is over. So the first step, sit and write down what you sell. Like, create a list and prioritize the items. It's important to prioritize because maybe you prefer giving workshops and maybe you prefer provide coaching services. Because of that, you can distribute the blogs on your main page a bit different. Even more important, you can change the slogan a bit depending on your preferences. Now make a screenshot of your main page and send it to 5 people from your network who is not very familiar with your job. Ask them to answer 2 questions. Based on this screenshot, what do you think I do? And based on this screenshot, what do you think how I do it? And wait for their feedback. The third step, and the last one, is to analyze their feedback and see if it correlates with your list of priorities you made on the first step. Is it true or is it false? Is it true? Congratulations! Your main page is pretty good and it's doing a great job. Is it false? Well, time for some fixes. Change the slogan, add improvements to the description of your services. Make them shorter, cleaner, use simpler language. And then repeat the step 2. Create a screenshot of your new website and send it to these people again. This is how you can easily, within 20-25 minutes, improve your website, improve your main page, and make it more professional. This is all for today. Great job and thank you for your time. As I said before, you find the link to the document in the description with the steps that you can follow in your own pace. And see you next time when we talk about the website menu. Bye bye.